Let's make a creamy, spicy vodka rigatoni. Grab yourself a shallot and 2 cloves of garlic, and smash that garlic to loosen the peel. Get those peels off, and roughly chop them all up. Next, bring some lightly salted water to a boil. Once it's hot and rolling, add in your rigatoni noodles. While these cook, we'll make our delicious vodka sauce. Grab yourself a pan and crank it to medium-low. As it comes up to heat, drizzle in some olive oil. Once the oil is warmed up, toss in your chopped shallots and garlic. Stir those around and cook until just translucent. At this point, add in about a tablespoon of red pepper flakes. Adjust according to how spicy you'd like your sauce to be. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, grab yourself some vodka. I used about 1.5 ounces, or a shot and a half. Let all the alcohol cook off in your pan, then add 1 small tin of tomato paste. Stir everything up well, and cook until the tomato paste turns from a bright red to a rusty color. By now your pasta should be ready. Make sure you reserve some of that pasta water for your sauce. Strain those noodles off, and let them sit in the colander until the pasta sauce is ready. Now that our tomato paste has darkened in color, we can add in some salt and pepper, and a generous amount of heavy cream. Stir and stir and stir until the cream finally combines with your tomato paste. Remember to add in that pasta water that you set aside as well. Once everything is thoroughly stirred together, you'll be left with a creamy, silky, dark orange pasta sauce. Throw your rigatoni noodles right into the pan and combine. This recipe is so easy to make, and despite how easy it is guaranteed to impress. Enjoy!